Welcome to Sentiment Trader, TradingEdge Weekly. This AI-generated video is a visual summary of our written weekly research report. It is provided for informational and educational purposes only. Here is the Sentiment Trader research summary for May 8th, 2026. So here are the key takeaways. First, the STCTM composite model triggered a buy alert on April 29th, just one of 67 alerts since 1962, with win rates typically exceeding 70%. Second, the S&P 500 trend score sits at 9, well above the bullish threshold of +7. Third, the JRTM reading of 2 signals long-term rates are in a confirmed uptrend. Fourth, Bitcoin shows bullish momentum with RSI above 70. Fifth, healthcare faces seasonal headwinds and weak participation. And sixth, the KOSPI breakout shows 65.7% breadth, but with narrow participation. Now, let's look at the house view on stocks. Short-term, VIX and CDX remain healthy, even as U.S. equities pulled back after record gains. Profit-taking and geopolitical tensions are in focus. Monitor the NFP report. Intermediate term, momentum has improved to 71.4. Large-cap tech shows resilience in cloud and AI. Major indices hold above long-term support. Long-term, structural AI and tech growth support the upside. Quality companies with strong cash flows are well-positioned. If you glance at the data cards below, momentum at 71.4 and VIX below 20. Now, let's look at bonds, commodities, crypto, and global. Bonds, long-term cycles are bearish. Treasury markets are defensive ahead of NFP data, with yields edging higher as oil rebounds. Commodities, oil prices recovered after sharp declines, supported by geopolitical tensions and Strait of Hormuz uncertainty. Gold and silver traded sideways at elevated levels. Crypto, the triple 40 indicator flipped from bearish to bullish. RSI momentum is bullish, but trend remains bearish. Global, Japan's Nikkei surged to record highs on catch-up buying. Europe, equities reversed sharply on energy price fears. If you glance at the data cards, oil price is recovering and gold is trading sideways. So, where are we at right now? Market indicators are mostly in bullish regimes. The big picture, macro stability plus a healthy environment, with broad market buy signals emerging. Looking at the details, macro index is bullish, above the 50% threshold. Market environment is bullish, currently healthy. Risk on off is bullish out. Investors are in risk on mode. VIX is bullish below 20. CDX is bullish, below the 50-day moving average. But SPX trend score is below 5 out. A note of caution. Now, let's look at the high conviction buy signal. The STCTM composite model has generated a new buy alert. The composite indicator shows a strong thrust above the confirmation threshold claw, one of the rarest and strongest signals in the model's history. Looking at the chart on the right, the composite signal percentage shows conviction level, with green arrows marking prior buy signals. Since 1962, the model has generated just 67 total signals. Each one was followed by positive average forward returns. Now, the SPX 7-to-1 trend following strategy. The S&P 500 trend score currently reads 9, well above the bullish threshold of +7. The green dashed line at 2 marks the bearish level, while the red dashed line at 7 indicates bullish conditions. Take a look at the charts on the right. The cumulative return chart shows the 7-to-1 strategy in blue dramatically outperforming buy and hold in gray. The drawdown comparison reveals the strategy also significantly reduces downside risk during major declines. If you glance at the data cards, a win rate of 74% and an average winner of 34.9%. Now, looking at long-term interest rates. The JK interest rate trend model currently reads 2, indicating long-term rates are in a confirmed uptrend. Now, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price action shows strong bullish momentum. Historical price analogs indicate a 100% win rate for similar signal patterns. The RSI is above 70, confirming strong upward momentum. Now, healthcare. Healthcare is the worst performing sector, showing the deepest drawdown from its peak among all sectors. The corporate insider buy-sell ratio for XLV stands at just 0.12, near historic lows. Now, South Korea's KOSPI. The KOSPI has broken above the 7,000 level, currently trading at 7,384. The breadth indicator shows 65.7% of constituents participating in the breakout. Thank you for watching. For more information or to read the written report, please visit sentimenttrader.com.